everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute rainbow keychain out of pipe cleaners. Now you can make this in any colour you like. As you can see here, I've done an all pink set, but the one I'm going to show you now is a standard rainbow colour. So to complete this project, you're going to need 4 coloured pipe cleaners, 4 white pipe cleaners, a keychain, a hot glue and scissors. So the first thing to do is to cut our coloured pipe cleaners to size. The first one I'm starting off at about 4 to 5 centimetres, and then you want to add an extra 1 centimetre onto each piece. Now once you've cut all of your pieces to size, what we're going to do is go and bend them in a U shape, as you can see me doing here. Just making sure that they all line up as you go. And once you've finished with all of the colours, we're just going to pop that to the side and start on making our clouds. To start making our clouds, we're going to take one of the white pipe cleaners and cut it in half. And we're then going to take half and roll it up in a circle nice and tight. So there we have one part of our cloud, and we're going to go ahead and make 4 of these in the same size. Once we've finished with those 4 pieces, what we're going to do is take one of our pipe cleaners and fold it up into 3 and cut it as you see me doing here. Then take one piece, line it up against the other full length pipe cleaner and cut it to the same size. We're then going to do the same before with all 4 of these pieces and roll them up nice and tight. Now that we've finished making all parts of our rainbow, we're going to take our ring for our keychain and just slip it onto the outer edge of the rainbow. Now we've done that, it's time to start sticking everything together. So the first thing you want to do is put one part of your large cloud underneath the edge of one side, and then the same on the other side. Then we're going to take our hot glue gun and put glue on top of the cloud and the rainbow, as you can see me doing here, and then stick one of the large pieces of cloud on top of that. Then simply repeat the process on the other side. Now we have our large clouds all stuck in place, we're going to move on to our small ones, and we're just going to put the hot glue on half of the small cloud and then stick it just on top of the big cloud, as you can see me doing here. You then want to do the same on the other side, flip the keyring over and do it again. Then lastly, what we want to do is add our clip onto the ring, and we have completed our keychain.